So a lot of people will be asking, I want to go into this breeding. What are those profitable dog breeds I need to look out for? In my membership class, I broke down in a well detailed and comprehensive way how to start dog breeding business. So if you're not yet a member and I get people saying, no, mentor me, I want your help. So that's the reason for that membership group, so that you get the liberty to ask any question. When I go through the charts and I see questions that will require me to make another video, I make a well detailed video, whether it's going to get to 30 minutes or 1 hour, I will do that. So today, let's look at profitable dog breeds for those that are interested in getting into breeding. I do German Shepherd dogs, and like I've always mentioned, German Shepherd dogs come in lines. We have the show lines, we have the walking lines. In the show lines, we have the West German show line, we have the American show line, and so on. In the walking lines, we have the Czech Republic, formerly Czechoslovakia line. We have the East German Shepherd, also known as the DDR. We have the West walking line German Shepherd, and so on. So I wouldn't want to go into details on these lines, but here is what I want you to know, that there is demand for all these lines. So people who want, maybe they need something serious for their environment. We have the level of insecurity in Nigeria is becoming something else. So they need proper walking dog breeds that are going to stand any threat or withstand any threat. So the walking lines are definitely going to be high in demand. Rottweiler is going to be high in demand. But Belgian Malinois is not going to be high in demand because not so many people can manage their drive. So if you're looking out for profitable dog breeds, you need to look out for your market. Do you have young people around you? Young boys, young girls. You look at them, you see the kind of things they used to like. Girls want something portable. That's where the likes of the Lhasa Apso will come in, Shih Tzu will come in, Pomeranian will come in, and so on. You understand? So these breeds are profitable, but my pick would be German Shepherd dogs, Rottweiler, Boerboels, Corsos, and Caucasian Shepherd dogs. These 5 dog breeds are my pick, the ones I'll pick as profitable dog breeds in Nigeria. So if you're looking out for profitable dog breeds in Nigeria, look out for these 5, because a lot of people would always go for these breeds. Yes, they are part of the most popular dog breeds in the world, so they will go with them. The reason why I won't mention the likes of Lhasa Apso, Shih Tzu, and so on is because the popularity of the mixed breed or the fake Lhasa is so much that the real purebred Lhasas will find it very difficult to make it through the market. Yes, a lot of people are shocked that when I tell them, or when they hear, do you know that what you have, this thing you got for 150k, 200k, do you know it's mixed? They say, no, how do you mean? I said the original is at least 5, 6, 700,000 naira. And they are like, what? Are you serious? Yes. So my 5 pick for profitable dog breeds in Nigeria include Rottweiler, German Shepherd dog, Boerboel, Caucasian Shepherd dog, and Corso. So if you can look out for these 5 breeds, remember, getting a purebred of any of these dog breeds should not be less than 750, 800k. From 800k, in fact, let your budget be at least 800k and above to get any of them. Remember also to study the pedigree of the dogs you're getting. Remember to check the bloodline for health issues, titles, and so on, to be sure that what you're getting is quality. Remember to verify the pedigree too. Very, very important. And trust me, you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful to someone. Thank you.